What's going on, everyone? Greatest Hits here. I hope y'all having a great day. And today this video is going to be kind of simple and to the point. I'm kind of getting discouraged with this car and everything. It just sitting here and collecting dust and getting dirty and whatnot. So I've been looking around for engines and everything like that, from crate engines to long blocks to short blocks, stuff like that. I could only afford either the small block or the long block engines. It comes with cylinder heads and pistons, crank, cam, but not the full engine, like, you know, intake, throttle body, pulleys. And I've been going around to a lot of shops and calling people, and they're asking $1,200, $1,700, you know, anywhere in the ballpark of $1,000 to $2,000 to install the engine, and, you know, oil, coolant, spark plugs, everything else I need besides, you know, what I need, which is the long block. I don't know what to do because it's a lot of freaking money, and I have plans with this car and other things by May and June. So I don't know if I should sell it or should I keep it and continue saving up money and being patient and waiting to get more money saved up so I can finally put this whole thing together. Anyways, this has been on my mind for a while now, and, you know, it's just upsetting, and it's just, you know, annoying too, because you want that good deal with, you know, both situations where, you know, somebody will put in a motor for you for this amount of money and buying an engine at the same time. So that being said, I've been looking for crate engines, and this thing is freaking $5,500 and some change, and it's like ridiculous. And I knew that going into buying this car. I just didn't think that this would actually happen. So I need y'all's help with my situation, because this is just absolutely ridiculous, and, you know, yeah, a little depressing too. If y'all like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell for notifications for more videos. And I would like to give a shout out to Gabe Nesto. I don't know how to pronounce your last name. I'm sorry if I butchered your last name. But he's a really cool dude. We've been talking and whatnot, and, you know, he's a YouTuber like me. He's into motor vehicles and stuff like that. He has a diesel Cummins, was it 2,500, 1,500? I'm not sure. Truck and stuff like that. So subscribe to his channel as well. He has around the same subscribers as me, around 50 or more. So yeah, also follow me on Instagram, thegreatesthits. That being said, I'm the greatest hits, and I'll holler at y'all in the next video. Peace.